flying low tide.
Let me explain where I've been for the last 3 months and why I haven't been uploading. I mean, essentially over the last, I want to say 3 months, 4 months maybe, my life has like pretty much been flipped upside down. You'll notice the change in setting and everything. Basically I moved out and I just didn't have the time to really do a lot of YouTube stuff. I've still been doing the things that I've been doing, like bulking and going to the gym and eating well, as well as other interests and trying to progress, parts of my life. And I have neglected YouTube, and I never wanted to. I was really good at being consistent for it was like 14 months or like 12 months where I was literally uploading like at least 2 or 3 videos a week, which is super impressive. And like, even thinking back, I'm so proud, that I was doing that. And like, ever since I've kind of stopped doing it, it's been like a bit of a miss for me. But I feel like I'm settled now and things are going to start changing and you're going to see more videos from me. But I'm trying to change the way that I make content. I don't think the kind of just like me sitting down and talking to the camera thing is really something that I actually find very interesting anymore. I think I'm just going to start documenting my life more, as well as, since I've moved out of the house and I'm no longer with my mum, it's a really nice way of me to be able to like make a diary out of my life so that people can keep up with me. But this channel will no longer be just about bulking, and it will no longer be just about the gym and about fitness. It will ultimately be about that stuff because that's what I'm genuinely interested in, as well as the fact that I am going through a personal training course at the moment. But my life lies beyond that. I'm not just interested in fitness. I'm interested in like art and stuff, and I've been really interested recently in like plants and gardening and whatnot, and you'll see that in a moment. But it felt like something was like deeply off from my core, the fact that I wasn't making YouTube videos, because I know ultimately every single career path that I want ultimately leads through YouTube, and it's something that I actually genuinely like, and I can see it having a positive impact on people, and that's really all you can ask for.
Smells like good dirt.
$130 for 9. Nice. 60 kilograms, all the weights are going up, which is good. Last time I did 53 for 11, so hoping I can do 60 for 7 or 6. I'll call that 6. Maybe 6.5 for the Chewbacca impression. Yeah.